John Gibbons. Welcome to Blown Out of Proportion. First, I'd like to thank our sponsors, His Glassworks, for all the great cold working equipment, Hextall glue, and a whole myriad of great stuff to work on your glass.
I love His Glass. I use them for, I get Hextall, I get my diamond wheel bits, all my diamond core bits, everything. His Glass, not only that, but their customer service is out of this world, and they have like a tutorial video on almost any product.
Yeah, and their flat laps come with a magnet. They don't on eBay, so get them on His Glass.
What does eBay know about glass?
Nothing.
Nothing.
So, Josh, you came all the way from New York to make some of your cool new fashion glassware. You want to talk about it a little bit?
Sure, yeah. I started making these with a brand called Purdy for Paris Fashion Week 2022 in March, and they've been a hit, and I've been taking it to like a really crazy weird place.
Yeah, I mean, I noticed like what Paris Fashion Week was like representing you, or you're in on that.
Paris Fashion Week, New York Fashion Week, Tokyo Fashion Week, London Fashion Week, I've done them all.
And like I think Doja Cat's got here first. Kylie Jenner. Yeah.
JT, shout out to JT.
JT, the rap.
Yeah.
Why don't we get started?
Okay. Alright. So on the way over here, I was checking out your stuff, and I love your Marini.
Oh, thanks.
Excellent Marini.
Oh, thanks.
Way
Josh.
better than I can make Marini. So if you don't mind, I'd like to use some of your Marini in this.
Yeah, of course. We've got a ton of them.
Cool. One thing I've done a lot of is these bags that are sort of dripping. And I think it'd be really sick to have the drips made of Marini.
Okay.
So, do you have any pink Marini?
Yeah, I've got this pink white that I was using for barnacles.
Oh, same ones. Okay.
Yeah, probably look good.
So we think of like jet black bag with some Marini, pink Marini on top, and the drips are made of pink Marini. So it kind of looks like the bag itself is like melting from the top.
So that'd be cool.
Welcome to Blown Out of Proportion. We're going to blow this thing out of proportion. So this is called an overlay, and this is the black glass that's going to basically be the background colors. And then we're going to add the pink and white Marini drips to the surface of this. Also, I want to add some of the pink Marini drips to the handle, probably before I stretch it out. So now I have the black that's completely just covered up that clear, like just completely covered. And I'm going to take another layer of glass, matte furnace, and I'm just gonna cover it. And it's just gonna get like totally encased. Not a speck is gonna be showing. None of that black is gonna be broken out. Totally encased. Hope I can do it.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
So this, what we're making right now, is something called a stuff cup. For these bags, it's very important that the color is close to the surface, because otherwise the handle will come here. It's not hard to explain why, but in general, the glass from the handle comes from a place called the foil. This is the foil. And if you just do a regular overlay, the glass on the foil is totally clear. Yeah, that's right. So by putting the stuff cup, the glass in the foil becomes colored, and then the handle of the bag is colored.
So you're gonna try to like gather block stuff? I'll gather a block and I'll paper it, I'll heat it, and then stuff it. Perfect. bubble into a bag. Very good, very good. Oh, cool, look at these things.
Yeah,
You build these guys?
I did.
These are great.
Yoga blocks.
Pull the earth. Pull it down. I believe it's called gravity. Beautiful. Look at that. That's a great shape. Oh, I got some more. Okay, so can you please, with this torch, torch the hole? Make sure I have enough real estate in these regions to accommodate the drips.
About 3 years purses.
Yeah, pretty much.
What were you making before purses?
Oh, I was making these neon things actually. Not
Neon?
Like hot shop neon.
Hot shop neon, like sculptural cathode.
Yeah, well, that giant tungsten rod I was telling you about.
Yeah.
I invented this method where I would take like a solid massive glass, drill into it with that giant tungsten rod, to create kind of like a network of tubes inside, and then attach electrodes to it, and pump it with neon.
Oh, that's cool. Is that good?
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah.
Help get these ones in the front.
Okay.
Nice. Nice. Look at that last one. All right, that's good. Nice, John. That's perfect team. That's ideal, man. Look at that. Beautiful grip. Never been better. Look at that. Perfect team. All right, let's add some more. That looks great, man. Look at that.
Yeah, that's cool.
Look how sick that is.
Oh, that's cool.
Perfect. Two great grips. We've got 10 more to go. Okay, drips are on. Now we gotta finish stretching out the handle. This is where it starts to get scary because we've already invested how many hours in this thing. Not to mention all the time John spent early making those greenies. I don't take for granted how much labor I took from John when I asked to use like 100 pounds of greenie. And I just want to take this moment. Julie there, looking good. Say thank you, John.
great. It's so sick. It's done.
Oh man, that was exhausting.
Oh, what a
That was
marathon.
cool. I'm stoked that you could come and think of these new designs and utilize that marine. You had it forever.
I was inspired by the pieces you made before with that gray marine. I thought, I gotta get some of that on a bag.
Yeah, that's cool. And like how you kind of brought all the little tails to the handle and merged them at the end there. I love
It's
it.
gotta be merged. It's gotta be merged.
Yeah, they got like fused together.
One thing I can't stand is unmerged bits.
I know.
I stay up
Oh,
late
great.
at night. I can't stand unmerged bits. But yeah, that was good. Honestly, like we've never worked together.
Yeah,
That's
no.
a very tough piece.
Yeah.
The fact that we were able to pull it off seamlessly first time,
Yeah, that's
it's a
great.
testament to how good you are,
Hey,
John.
you too, dude. Right on. And thanks to Matt.
Thank you, Matt.
Matt, Michelle.
Shout out to Matt. We couldn't. That piece. How long did that piece take us? 2 hours.
2 hours.
If it wasn't for Matt, it would have taken us 3 hours.
Oh,
so thank you, Matt. And yeah, it came out great. I'm really excited. I can't wait to see when it's done. Because I think the contrast between those white pink marinis and the black background. And you know what else I noticed?
Yeah.
Because the drips are solid, you're gonna be able to look through the drips into the marini on the backside.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like a magnifying glass.
Yeah, they're super optical.
Super optical.
So stoked it came out. Do you have anything you want to promote?
I mean, if anybody wants to buy a purse out there, you can visit my website, raiffe.com, or you can follow me. Actually, I got enough followers. You don't have to follow me on Instagram or anything.
Your bags come in the coolest like boxes. You have those boxes custom made.
Oh, I did. I had the boxes custom made.
That's beautiful. I've
Right?
seen people opening them on your Instagram.
Yes. Yes. And the bags are not just for women. Bags are for everyone.
Yeah, anybody can get it. They're gorgeous.
Yeah. Yeah, if you like the bag, you can have the bag. Also, you know what else I love doing that most people don't know? I love doing custom stuff. So if you're like, hey, Josh, I love that bag, but the color is awful. I need that thing in green. Make it in green.
So I'm using these Poplar wheels from his glassworks, and they're really great. They're soft, foam material, but it has diamond in it. I use the electroplated or sintered diamond to carve out the initial grind, and then I use these ones to polish it up. And I've had these for I don't know how many years, over 10 years. And they're just still got a lot of life. Alright, so I got that first polish done. Look at the lens there, that's going to help me create a flat spot. And even though it looks so pretty, I just put a flat spot on it. Sometimes they're just a little bit tippy.
John, is it okay with you if we auction this thing off for charity?
That'd be really generous.
There's one charity I'm really passionate about. It's called the Scleroderma Research Foundation.
Okay.
A lot of people don't know about scleroderma, but it's a rare disease that my mom has, and it's like a scarring of your organ, your internal tissue. And I would love it if we could auction this piece off and just donate all the proceeds to the Scleroderma Research Foundation.
Yeah, let's do it.
Cool.
That'd be great. Alright, thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, blown out of proportion!